Howdy everyone, this is Astha Joshi and you're watching Learning Never Stops. And yes, I am back with another quick tutorial. It's going to be really quick because it's a very easy and simple song. But this song is, if you've not heard the song, then first hear it. I'm linking it in the description box. Hear the song, this is beautiful. This song came to me through Arsh. Now Arsh is an amazing young boy who is so dedicated. I mean, the purpose of Learning Never Stops then comes to fruition when it's not just you learning from me, but I learning from you as well. I learn dedication from you, Arsh. The way you are so dedicated to do this, to play ukulele, to learn your music, to practice your music, it really amazes me and inspires me. I have come across so many of you who are just young in school, but you're so dedicated to play music and to sing and to have fun with the ukulele. I mean, it's beautiful. So thank you so much for that. And Arsh, again, thank you for bringing out this amazing song, amazing singer. I mean, through you all, I'm coming across beautiful music and I'm learning new songs, new genres, I'm learning on new artists. It's just amazes me. अगर ये नहीं होता, Learning Never Stops नहीं होता, तो मैं सच में मेरी learning stop हो गई होती. I am learning a lot, so thank you so much. Let's quickly get started with this song. These are the chords. It's a very easy song, goes in one single progression. The strumming pattern I'm using here is this, but you can use normal island strum in it. I will give you the part with island strum as well so that you can play it. Okay, so let's quickly get started. If you know the chord, skip. If you don't, then here we go.
1, 2, 3.
So the first chord we're using here is C. C is the first string of the 3rd fret. I will go as per the progression. After that we go to A minor. Just take your middle finger on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This becomes A minor. Then we have F. Keep your A minor intact. Just put your index finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret. This becomes F. And then we have D minor. D minor is just keep your F intact. Just take your ring finger and put it right behind your middle finger, which is on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This becomes D minor. Okay, and then we'll go again back to C. This is the progression. Okay, coming to the strumming pattern, it is quite easy. It is just down, down, up, down, up. Okay, let's divide it into 3 parts. So it's go down, pause, down, pause, up, together, and then up, down, up. Up, down, up. Okay, this is the strumming pattern. So it goes something like this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? अगर आपको ये स्ट्रमिंग पैटर्न नहीं बज रहा है, it's okay. It's not a पत्थर पे लकीर. Okay? You can play this on island, you can play it on normal strum. कुछ और strumming pattern समझ आ रहा है, go ahead and use it. Now island कैसे बजेगा वो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. Up down up down down 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 up down up down. Okay, ये था island strum. Let's start with the song. The song will go in the same progression the whole time. This is the progression. So we'll start from C. C से हम लोग A minor पे जाएंगे, A minor से F, F से D minor और D minor से back to C.
फिर हम फिर से C से उठाएंगे, फिर A minor, फिर F, फिर D minor, फिर C, फिर C, फिर A minor, F, D minor, C, C, A minor, F, D minor, C, C, A minor, F, D minor, C. It's a loop.
अब शुरू करते हैं with the song. Hold your C. Let's go. चंद चढ़े आज फिर कलिए. And we go to A minor. कोठे उते आसा उठ चलिए. Okay, the next line on F. आधी आधी रात है, पेंदी बरसात है. Then next line on D minor. तेरे नाल करनी में प्यार वाली बात है. Okay, and then C. चल चलिए, उड़ चलिए. Okay, stay at C. चंद तक दा तेरे बल चलिए. A minor. दिल वाली रात चल चलिए. F. आधी आधी रात है, पेंदी बरसात है, D minor, तेरे नाल करनी में प्यार वाली बात है. And then C, चल चलिए उठ चलिए, C, चल चलिए उठ चलिए. So the whole song goes the exact same way. Let's quickly do this together. चंद चढ़े आज फिर बलिए, उठे उठे आसा उठ चलिए, अद्धी अद्धी रात है, पेंदी बरसात है, तेरे नाल करनी में प्यार वाली बात है, चल चलिए उठ चलिए. अब करते हैं आइलैंड पे. चंद तकदा तेरे बल बलिए, दिल वाली रात चल चलिए, अद्धी अद्धी रात है, पेंदी बरसात है, तेरे नाल करनी में प्यार वाली बात है, चल चलिए उठ चलिए, चंद ना 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 ना. That's it. This is the whole song. Isn't it just so beautiful and so easy? So easy. So this is a good opportunity to brush up on a new strumming pattern that you're learning. अगर आप island को छोड़ के एक नया strumming pattern उठाना चाहते हैं, then this is a very good song to do that, क्योंकि chord बहुत easy हैं, progression same जा रहा है, सिर्फ strumming, you can try a new kind of strum. Alright, however कोई pressure नहीं है. If you want to do it on easy strums, go ahead. I mean, it's okay. Alright, the essence of life is on simplicity and easiness, really. Okay, alright, I will see you next time. Until then, adios amigos and amigas.